about 175 to the pin. We'll bump a 6 iron out. See what we can do. Yeah, there. A little chip and we're good. Welcome back to another video. Nature Boy Does Golf. We're out here at Latona, just a little solo round. Just me and the camera today, just like the first video, but this time will be with commentary. So let's get it. Not good, not good. It's all right. This shot's for par. I don't think it's gonna happen, but let's get up there. Get up for bogey. Huh? Huh? Not off to a good start. I feel like I say that in every video, but that was pretty bad. Alrighty. Hopefully we can find it. And the left again. Alright, people. Another chunk by me. We got 112 to the top of the sand, so. Not a good start at all. Pulled it left. Little chip up there. Maybe a chip and maybe a one putt. One putt for par. That was my third shot, so this will be my fourth. So. Gonna whack 3 wood. The driver is not doing me favors today, so let's get at it. This is off to a bad start, but there was a bunch of old people in front of me. They are off. They're walking off, so we're good now. So let's just get this thing up here and keep it moving for you guys. All right, that was rough. We're gonna take a drop penalty here. Can't get in the tree as usual, so we're just gonna bump it out the fairway. Roll. Can't get better than that. All right, nice little bump out fairway. This will be technically my shot 4, so this will be for par. We're not gonna think about this hole. We'll just keep it moving. 103. Way left. Way left, but you know what? We can play it. Alright. Now I gotta get that out of my head. Those guys in front of me were really pissing me off. It's late. I want to get home. You know, I mean, I don't want to get home. I want to film, but it's frustrating. It's very frustrating. Should have aimed a little left, but it's okay. We're on the green. Not something we've seen too often today. Yeah, all right. Little monster. All right, let's go. Actually, it's pretty decent. So maybe we can knock it in. All right, hole 7, par 3, 158 to the pin. Not bad. Long putt for par. Let's just get a bogey here. Left again. Should be able to find it. Oh, guys, I don't know what's going on here. I'm hitting my driver left again. I don't know what possessed me to do it, but I'm hitting it left again. I don't know why. I remember when I first started playing this damn game, I started hitting them right, slice. Hit them left, fix that. Nice little fade to the right. Now it's back. I don't understand. Under to the pin. Well, that's 5 feet from the pin. Let's get it. Yo. Tell you what, I'm just gonna say this: playing by yourself when you get really good shots is just weird. Like, it's a good shot and all, but it just don't feel the same with your buddy there with you. Oh well, it's more of a practice round for me, so it's okay. We're really close, guys. Let's see if we can knock this putt in for birdie. Oh, sorry, Monster's talking to me. Look how close this shit is. That's
what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Birdie, baby. Let's go. Yes. Whew. That's a long time coming. Whew. I haven't had an actual birdie in a while, dude. This is crazy. I'm so happy with that. All right, I got another par 3 coming up. Let's go. Come on, sit for him. All right, a little left, but we can play it. All right, it's okay. Definitely should be able to find that. Not sitting good here at all. I don't have a camera crew today, so I'll give it to you the best I can. Sit. All right, we're up there. Okay. All right, come on. One putt, one putt, one putt. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Here we go. Come on. Ah! Motherfucker. All that fucking... I never. Waiting that goddamn long. The fuck. Fucking short. Getting in my head. Getting in my head. These fucking people in front of me are taking way too goddamn long, so I think they're doing it on purpose, but let's just keep going here. See? This is what happens when I get in my head. Come on. It's up there finally. Alright. Hole 8, par 5. Got it into the fairway. Kind of chunked. I teed it low because I've been drawing it really bad. I chunked it, got under it, but it did end up in the fairway, so we're gonna have to it's dog leg to the left, so we're gonna have to lay up. Let's go. I don't think I was recording and I just hit the shot of the day. I tell you what, playing alone sucks. I think I just forgot to hit the button to record. So, which is sad because I'm right in the fairway. Shot to maybe 100 yards out on a par 5. This was one of them days, boys. Little right, little chip on, and we're okay. Little long. Get up there. Too long. Let's sit for him, please. I think we bladed it, boys. Either bogey or double bogey. I think that was a double bogey. I missed a 3-foot putt. 3-foot putt. That's great. All right. I mean, should make this into a shank collage. At least then it'll be worth it. Put it out for YouTube. All right, through 8. One more to go. One more to go. In my head. It's gonna be a bad video, but you know what? It's okay. Make it funny for you guys. I don't know. It's not even about my swing, because my swing's okay. It really is. But just once I get in my head, that's when you take everything away. The most content I was, and the most focused I was hole 5 when I did the birdie. I mean, I did get lucky on the drive. Stayed in, but all right. Hole 9, long par 3. Let's finish it strong.
And then he started tapping the computer like this. And then there's like a little old ass calculator.
Go on.
Like that has
Go.
a paper receipt on it. So see it everything. So he's like
Short.
that.
Alright. We got under it, but we found the fairway. Par 3. It was 225 to the green, or the pin. 225 to the pin. We missed it by like 20 yards. I usually, when I really connect with my 3-wood, I usually hit it 225, but I got under it, so it popped up. Little chip on, and hopefully, you know, and now strong here. Oh shit. This goes to show you how high I hit it, because I hit a 3-wood off the tee, and there's my divot. Divot's right there. Ball's right there. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen with 3-wood. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Let's just end it on the worst way possible. Well, that was a complete disappointment. Through 9, in reality, like if I would have tallied everything up, I would have been like 12 over at least. That was horrible. But it's in for some good content to make fucking fun of me, so it's alright. It's another video. I try to give you guys as many videos as I possibly can. I haven't really been golfing this week, so I figured I'd just go and do a little nice little solo round. Well, here it is. 9. Alright, Nature Boy signing off.